Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit dashboards in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to have our dashboard widgets where we can find all our dashboard. Here, you will need just to personalize your navbar and click on this icon. And here we need to add more items if you don't find your dashboards here. We click on add more items, we go to all and we search for dashboards. So basically I have it already added in my navbar, so that's why it doesn't display here. When you click on it, you will need just to add nav items, and after that you will need just to edit or just go and check the place where you want to do it or put it. So from here, we need just to access to our dashboards, and here we will find all the dashboards. As you can see, we can find this executive sponsor, which has some metrics, and basically this is our dashboard here. We will be able to refresh it, etc., etc. So now if you want to edit a dashboard or customize it, you will need just to click on edit. From here you can just add any widgets that you would like or just delete ones that you don't like. So from here I can delete this one, and I can uh, have or delete this one, and I will add some widgets here. So for example, I'm just going to add a chart. So after that, you will need just to find the charts that would be uh, fitting to your dashboard. I'm going to select this one, and from here, I'm just going to click select. And those are just some charts from the reports, and you can create your own one after that. So I'm going to select, and you choose the type of the chart. Would it be like a gauge or some funnel charts, etc., etc. So I'm just going to choose this one, and I'm going to click on add, and basically we can find our charts here. So I'm just going up and trying to just drag it to the top, and now I'm having my dashboard. You can resize it if you'd like, so as you can see, and we can put this one here, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.